Hi guys, welcome back to Little Big Explorers. If this is the first time you've seen me on your screen, hi, my name's Adam. I'm one half of Little Big Explorers with my little sister Abby. And this week's video is going to be a Disney/Pixar room tour. So this is my bedroom from the door where you come in. I currently live at home with my mum, my stepdad and Abby. And from the other side, it's quite cluttered over on this side because all of my worldly belongings are in this room, everything I've ever bought. So that's 27 years of stuff in this one room. So I'm going to start in this corner of the room and then work around clockwise. So this is my desk area, and then the first sort of Disney thing on here is this print that I got from my friend Gail from uni. I think she got it off Etsy. Obviously Woody's my favourite character, so I've got that on the wall there. And then next to it is this You've Got a Friend in Me postcard, which is from a Pixar postcard box set, which I'll show you when we get round to it. And then I've got this little Woody keyring thing. I actually can't remember where this is from. I think my mum bought it me off holiday when she went to I've no idea, I can't remember where she got it from. But it's just a little keyring, so I just hang it up on there. And then I've also got this 5-kilometre Mike Wazowski medal. This is from a virtual run, so basically you register, run your 5k and then put your times in and you get a medal. So I chose this one obviously because it was Sully and Mike. So next on my desk is this Toy Story 3, I think it's a Christmas tin actually, I can't remember who got it me, either my friend Emily I think it was, but I've just kept it obviously because I love Toy Story and I just keep. Oh, I thought I kept pens in it, but apparently this is my accounts box with all train tickets and stuff in. So that goes behind there. That's a little picture of my little brother, Morgan. And then this You've Got a Friend in Me money pot. Abby got me this for Christmas. It's one of the ones that you can only smash to get the stuff out of. So it's got Woody and Buzz and it says into infinity and beyond at the bottom there. And You've Got a Friend in Me on the front. And I just put notes in there actually, I don't put coins in, so hopefully that's for my Florida fund. So the next thing I've got over here on these shelves is some Funko Pops. Obviously these aren't Disney, these are Elton John Funko Pops, and a Lego Santa. But then I've got this Mickey sort of bobblehead figure, which I got the first time we went to Disney World in 2004, and I couldn't remember how much this was, but I've just looked on the bottom and it was actually only $19, which at the time the exchange rate was nearly 1.5 or something, so really cheap for what it is. So I think you definitely pay more for this now. Then on this shelf I've got this Lego VW camper van, which I will just move out of the way. Put that down there. And then here I've got my Toy Story DVDs, and then these Pixar and Toy Story postcards, which I'll get out and show you in 1 second. So this is one of the postcard sets, The Art of Pixar. I can't remember who got me this, but I absolutely love these little packs of postcards. If I just open it up, look how cute that is. If I had my own house I would definitely put these on the wall. So it's literally just a big deck of postcards, and it's not just Toy Story, although I think I've got the Toy Story ones at the top because that's my favourite. But yeah, so you've got some cars and all different films, all different Pixar films, and I just love them, they're really cool. And then I've also got a Toy Story one, which I think some of them are the same as in the Pixar one. But like another 100 collectible postcards, and that's where the You've Got a Friend in Me postcard from above my desk is from. One of these packs. If it focuses. Yeah, so that's from there. So then again, this one's just got, this is just Toy Story stuff. Different sketches. And I love seeing like the concept art and stuff. So that's why I really like them. And then finally on this shelf I've got this room spray, which if it focuses on the name, is Maple and Whiskey, and it's over Fiji. So this is from Maple and Whiskey, and they produce, I think they do candles and like wax melts and room sprays of like all the smells at Disney and stuff. So this is over Fiji, so it's the smell that's on Soaring when you're flying over Fiji, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's the same smell as they have on Flight of Passage, but I've not rode that yet, so I can't confirm that, but I think it's the same one. And I really love the smell of this, because when I was on Soaring in January, I was like, yep, this is the smell that I want to get. So it's Maple and Whiskey, if you want to check them out. Now, next up on the top of my shelves is my Lego collection. I won't bore you with all the Lego stuff, but right at the end we have the Disney Castle. This is the Lego Disney Castle. You've got Tinkerbell right at the top there. You've got, if it just focuses, you've got Mickey, Minnie, Donald and Daisy at the front there. And I'll also turn it around to show you, but this is, I think they still sell this, it's £300, which is ridiculously expensive, but it also took me probably like 24, 25 hours to build. And once I show you the back of it, it's amazing, so you'll see like all the details and stuff. It's worth the £300. So I've just come up closer to give you a better view of this, of the details and things. Up there with Tinkerbell, and these two little bits are actually fireworks. They do have a button that you can press and they like shoot off, but I won't do that because they fire quite far and I end up losing the pieces. So that's from the front. And then this is the back, and it's actually insane all the stuff that's inside there. So you've got the magic carpet from Aladdin on the wall there with the lamp at the bottom. You've got Lumiere and the rose from Beauty and the Beast up here. You've got Mickey's Sorcerer's Hat and like a book of spells back there. At the top up here, you've got the mirror from Snow White and the poison apple. You've got the spinning wheel. Like, you've just got all these different things. Like, I don't actually play with it, but if I was a Disney mad kid, this would be the coolest thing ever. I just love this, it's so good, and it was so fun to build as well. So if you're thinking about getting one, I would definitely recommend it. And then the other couple of Disney things I've got up here is this little alien Lego piece. I think my friend Emily got me that as well. And this little Mickey light, which is from Primark. My mum got me that just as a stocking filler at Christmas. I don't remember how much that was. And then this, I don't know if you can see, it's a Woody like marionette thing from Woody's Roundup. So my sister got me this like a couple of Christmases ago, and I was like, oh my god, it's so good, because I'd never seen it before. It's part of the adult collector. I think she just found it on eBay, I don't know how much it was. But if I just turn it around in a second, you'll see the back as well. And if you like lift this bit up, like it's an actual marionette, so you can like use it as a puppet, which is so cool. So this is just the back of the Woody marionette, this box, so you can move this bit and it like moves him across the back. So next up we're going to go to my windowsill where all my Toy Story figures are. This is a wooden Woody, sort of, I don't know what you would call it, But I got this from the Ideal Home show last year. I think it was only like £10 or £12, and he just sits sort of on the edge of your window there. If I just come out a little bit, to make sure his arms are right so he don't fall over. So that's him, and he was a bargain, I think. They actually did even bigger ones than this. This one's, you can see the scale, but I think the bigger ones were only like £15, so they were really cool. I can't remember the name of the company that actually made them, but I thought it was quite unique, so I had to get him. Then I've got a Lego RC and Woody. Again, I think my friend Emily got me this one. You've seen a theme with Emily getting me Toy Story things. Then we've got Mr. Potato Head. This is one that came with like the outfits to dress him up as Buzz and Woody, but I wanted to keep him like the standard Mr. Potato Head. I bought that for myself. Then we have Slinky Dog. I think my grandma got me this for Christmas last year. So yeah, and he's like the normal Slinky Dog from the film. Then, oh, it's a bit dark. Don't know if you can see this Mr. Potato Head cup. It's not actually got anything in it yet, but his hat comes off. So you can use it as a cup or like to keep things in. But I think I'm going to keep things in it rather than use it as a cup because it's a bit bulky. But my friend Frank got me this for Christmas. Then we've got Ham. He's empty, well, pretty empty at the moment. I took him to the supermarket last week to get all the coins cashed in, but I bought that at Magical Pride last year in Disneyland Paris. I can't remember how much he was, but it was like $10 or something. It's not got the price on it anymore, but it was only like not $10, 10 euros. So then next to the windowsill I've got these two shelves, so we'll start at the bottom. So we've got this Batman Lego figure and this Captain America Lego figure. They're from, I bought them at Disney Springs, in the Lego shop at Disney Springs in Florida in May last year. And then I've got all of my Lego Disney minifigures in this little frame. I collected all these like individually in the little minifigure bags. I think they're like £2.50 or £3 each, and then I had to trade some to find the other figures. I hope they're going to do another collection of these because there's no Woody in this one. So there's Buzz and Alien, Stitch, Peter Pan, the Cheshire Cat, Ursula, and the Genie. Like, I just think these are so cute, and I got this frame. I think the firm's called like Laser Frames or something, and it's got the castle in the background. I don't know if you can see with the glare, but I love this. It looks so cool. And then next to them we've got a couple of Funko Pops. We've got Carl and we've got Doug. I just need a Russell to go with them too. And then on the top shelf I've got this Woody bubble bath bottle, I think it was. It's empty now, but my auntie got me that one year for Christmas. Then we've got another little, this is like a fake Lego Woody. Then I've got a Woody Funko Pop. We've got Jessie, which my grandma got me that for Christmas this year. Then we've got a little Alien the Claw spaceship ornament thing, and those inside I think they're rubbers, but I've never actually used them as rubbers, but they're like little spacemen, the little green aliens, sorry. And then you've got the knockoff Lego Alien and Buzz, and the Buzz Funko Pop, and then you've got the big Buzz figure up there, which Abby got me for Christmas in last year. So that's that shelf. Then at the bottom of the shelves I've got this Disney calendar. If you watch my haul video from January, I bought this from the outlets and I think it was $1.99, so that was a bargain. And then on my bedside table I've got my alarm clock, which is this Woody Lego alarm clock. I love this. This is so cool. You press his hat and it lights up, and obviously the alarm goes off when it's time to get up. I can't remember where I think I got this off Amazon. I bought it myself. I think it was like £25 or something, but I just love that it's like the Lego minifigures. Oh, I thought he had the pull string on the back, but he doesn't. But he's got his little Lego hands and feet. And that's next to my bed there. And then This doesn't normally go above my bed, but it's normally like on the floor and waiting to get it put on the wall here. This is a piece of art that I picked up in May last year from the outlets. I think it was like $4.99, which is a bargain. I've put it in the frame, and I just love how vibrant the colours are. It's from Disneyland Resort. Now I think that means Disneyland California, and it says 2005 to 2014. So if anyone knows what the significance of those dates are, I would love to know, because I've not got a clue. And then finally up here is this green alien, like soft toy thing. I found this by chance at a local charity shop. I think it was like £3 or something. It's a little bit dirty, but I thought I can't leave it in the shop. And I think if you press his hand, the eyes light up, which you can't really tell in this light, but they are lit up. So then I've got my bed. Yes, I am 27 years old and have a Toy Story duvet. Who cares? And I've got this little alien blanket at the end, which is really soft actually. I think that's from Primark. It was like £6 or something. The duvet is actually reversible, so you've got Woody on this side, and then it has got Buzz on the other side. If I show you the pillow, that'll be easier. So it has got Buzz on the other side, but obviously Woody's my favourite, so I keep it on that side. This was from, it's originally from Next, but we got like this one off eBay because it sold out at Next and couldn't find it anywhere. I think I ended up paying like 35 quid for it, but I was like, I'm having that. If I can't find it, I'll pay whatever you want me to pay for it. So yeah, that's my bed. So I'll just give you a quick overview of my room again before showing you the final piece. So the final thing to show you is Woody. So this is my Woody doll that I've had since I was 5, I think, when it came out. I got him for Christmas, and my mum says that she went everywhere to try and find him because it sold out everywhere. So he is 22 years old or something like that. He's quite battered, as you can see on his arm. His arm nearly fell off earlier this year. Well, in December last year his arm nearly came off, and I was like, Mum, you've got to fix him. So she cut up some jeans and sewed his arm back together. As you can see on his legs as well, he's got all these holes, and on this arm as well, so he's probably going to have some more surgery. He doesn't have a hat. We lost his hat. I can't tell you the last time we had his hat, probably when I was like 10 or something. So I've no idea where that's gone. And he's dead grubby, but he's my Woody. As I say, I've had him for 22 years, and he sits here on my bed all day, every day. So that was my room tour. I hope you enjoyed looking at some of my Disney and Pixar memorabilia. If there was anything you saw that you want to know more about, or if you saw something that I didn't talk about in the video that you want to know more about, just let me know in the comments. Yeah, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified next time we put a video up. And we'll see you again next time. Bye!